Welcome to Vietnam! Let's go for 5-6 days, something like that. Next from the part of the trip, from north to south. Let's go! Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are
In Vietnam,
and we are going to the Hanoi Bay. We didn't organize shit, but we just managed on the bus to organize something, so we should have a full program today. Let's see how it looks like. What did you say, mister?
welcome.
Where do we go?
Well, we are going to Cat Pa Island.
Yes, good answer.
There's a cable car that goes there.
It's pretty nice actually.
It's
How high? How high is the
250.
42, 43?
43.
43, yes. Bastien is changing now the objective because he feels like a photographer today, right?
Yeah, alright.
Right.
Big report.
Yeah, and Mathieu. Oh, we are lucky today. We are lucky. We had bad weather until now, and then we absolutely got lucky because the blue sky is just above us, and yeah, and we didn't organize anything, and now everything is like smooth as hell. So we are enjoying the beautiful island, and we will have some activities afterwards. Bastien, where are we now?
I think maybe we are in the Jurassic Park.
Oh yes! We are the pterodactyls!
We're gonna see some dinosaurs.
Oh, the tyrannosaurs! So we have decided to rent some bikes. They are not the best quality at all. But that's the fastest way to explore the area with that fucker. You're too fast, man. You're too fast. So yeah, that's the plan for the next 40 minutes. Is to explore this area, and then after we have to go back to the boat, and then there will be some water activities. But in the meantime, I have to find a place to use my drone. Oh Bastien, how do you feel? Yeah, look at this. Guys, this place is amazing. We started the kayak trip now, and it was interesting, but we have only half an hour, and the goal was to take the drone. And I found the perfect spot, let's say. So just a small stone, so I can be stable on my feet when I'm launching the drone. I don't know if it's very legal or not, so that's why I had to be very discreet and cautious. But overall, I think it should be fine, and the landscape is amazing. You're gonna see that. Okay, Bastien, where are we now?
Downtown of Hanoi.
Hanoi. It's very crowded, and we are just exploring now some like the night market that is open from Friday to Sunday.
Some street food.
And yeah, we want to try the street food, but the problem is that we have to take the plane tomorrow. We have to continue our trip, and we cannot make a single mistake. So if one of us is sick, then it's gonna be a mess. Ooh la la, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, let's explore this area. I don't know if you see, but I'm already sweating as fuck. It's too hot, too hot.
Yeah, I start to restaurant. Flexible.
là là là.
Un petit resto vietnamien
How is it?
au milieu de Hanoi. Ah, so tasty. The best name of my life.
So we are trained not the street food because we don't want to be sick. But the Vietnamese food, succulent.